Good morning, Wildcats. This is Mr. Martin with today's announcements. So today is Wednesday, October 7th. We are in our first Wednesday of this distance learning, which will last this week and then the rest of next week, and then we come back together. More information on that in succeeding announcements. Today, students, remember you will attend virtually periods 1, 3, 5, and 7 today. Moms, dads, guardians, classes will start at 9 a.m., 10:25 a.m., 12:15 p.m., and then 1:40 p.m. Students, we expect you to attend each class, show up, give your best effort, and then if you do have problems with the technology, we understand that. We all face that. Start by Gmailing your teachers with any link issues that you might be having, and then you can certainly reach out to the help desk also at 446-1450. The help desk email address is also just helpdesk@fargo.k12.nd.us. So attend all of these classes today. Students, remember, an A-day class, whatever period it might be in here, would just meet the first 30 minutes. A B-day class, whatever period within today's schedule, would just meet the last 30 minutes. Some words of wisdom, a little bit of information about Toshiko Akiyoshi. She was a jazz musician. Perhaps you enjoy jazz. She made a major contribution to the world of music by being the first woman in the history of jazz to record an entire jazz library. She's a unique individual with unique musical talents, and a little piece about uniqueness, a quote from another unique person, another unique artist, the dancer Martha Graham. Here's a quote from her. She says, "The whole world loses when we don't honor and appreciate what makes each one of us the one-of-a-kind, absolutely unrepeatable human being we are." So Wildcats, take that to heart, think about that. Today, add value with respectful, responsible behavior, and add value by shining a light on your own unique talents. Have a great day, everyone.